Come with me to the gym and hit back today. Hi everyone, it's Kat. Samahan niyo akong mag-gym and we're going to hit back cause it's Tuesday! Before anything else, bili muna tayo ng matcha here sa Pickup Coffee cause why not, diba? Now, we're headed to the gym. Ito na yon, push na, wala nang atrasan to, tara na. Medyo madaming tao, pero okay lang yon. Maghanap na tayo ng locker, lagay na natin yung mga gamit natin, and i-drink na natin ang ating matcha latte na in-over sa Pickup Coffee. First things first, syempre magwa-warm up muna tayo for today's pagpapanggap. And yes, quick warm up lang to guys. Then magsi-straight na tayo sa ating dead hangs. 3 sets to na kayo na bahala kung hanggang ilan nyo kayang sumambitin dyan. Umpisahan natin ang ating back workout with lat pull downs. 3 sets of 12 ako dyan guys at 17.5 kilograms kasi yun pa lang yung kaya ko, and hoping sana next week kaya ko na iangat siya. Then straight to close grip lat pull downs naman, 3 sets of 12 in 13.75 kg. Next naman natin is single arm cable row, 3 sets of 12 each side. Nakalimutan ko na kung ilang kg ako dyan, pero as long as you can, go push yan. After that, water break muna, check ng likod, diba? Tapos drink ng water, then back again. Barbell rows ang next natin, 3 sets of 12, 10 kg ang binubuhat ko dyan. After nun, so many reps natin, mag-go straight na tayo sa ating cable lat pullovers, 3 sets of 12 with I don't know kung ilang kg yan, at natulala na talaga siya kasi nga hindi ko na din alam yung mga pinaggagawa ko dyan talaga kasi pagod na talaga ang abab. Lawan! Biceps curls naman ang ginagawa natin dyan. 3 sets of 12 ulit. 7.5 kg yung binubuhat ko dyan. And slay, kaya ko pa. Last 2 programs pa. Barbell bicep curls, 3 sets of 12, 10 kg. Then straight na tayo sa last program natin. Bar hammer curls naman, 3 sets of 12, 10 kg ulit. Slay! For the flex na ako dyan ng back ko. Hindi pa super perfect, pero at least may progress. Right after, magte-treadmill na ako for 15 inclined for 15 minutes na 3 yung speed ko dyan. So, yun lang yung ginagawa ko for my back workout, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!